Okay, so we are here to do the Creole tag. Now that isn't even really a tag.
You have to say who I am.
Yeah, well, we know you right now. Okay, this is Brianna. This is my friend Brianna. Right, so this Creole tag is, well, for years I was trying to teach this girl to speak Creole. But me, I know what kind of student.
No. She was never a teacher. Both her and Chandler were never teachers. They would just come, and I was just supposed to be like, okay,
Yes.
they would never say Brianna is or something means this.
No.
It was always.
When you were a child, did your mother come to
Oh
you
my
in
gosh!
English and
I
say,
don't care what my mother
say,
did. It was just they
Brianna.
would just come in and speak about 3 paragraphs, and I was like, and then they'd be like, Brianna, what I just tell you? I don't know.
Anybody, science has proven that immersion into a language is what will give you good language skills. We were trying to immerse this girl, and she had more than 6 months with us, eh?
I know one song.
Okay, we'll see. Let's you started that song. I'll sing that song and I'm here.
Lue de. Mueveni pelue de. Me never say it correct. Lue de.
Sing it, let them hear what you're saying there. Let's say it. Let's say it. Okay. You have it right for the most part.
Yes.
But your
Pronunciation.
yes, it isn't as rounded as it should be. Lue de. Moi vini pour louer de. Louer de c'est
Oh, Bobo de.
Bobo die. Not Bobo die. Let's go back to louer de. What does that mean?
Glory, Lord. We give you glory, Lord.
Oh, you know the English version.
Glory, Lord. You are a mighty God. Hey.
Well, in direct translation, DSA Bobo Day means God is a good God.
Right.
But what day is the translation to? Glory, Lord. We give you glory, Lord.
Glory, Lord. You are a mighty God. Lue de. Meveni pelue de. Right, go ahead. Lue de. They say a bobo de. Bobo de.
They say a Bobo Day.
They say a bobo de.
They say a Bobo Day.
Hey.
You don't hear I saying die?
Yeah, dear.
Die.
Dear.
Die.
Dear.
You saying die.
I said dear.
Die.
Dear.
As in A.
Dear.
Die. Okay. Okay, so now we'll do the tag. At the end, she can tell everything else she thinks she knows. But I will write a phrase or a word in Creole on my laptop, which I have right here. You know, I write it big and bold for her. She pronounces it, and she will also tell me what she thinks it means.
Ooh.
Let's
The
go.
pressure.
1. Move it.
Yoka Pali.
Yes, good job. Good job.
Thanks to Tedison.
That's right. And if you saw the harmonizing challenge, you would have seen that she sang that song, which is why I put that phrase there. Because she was singing the song like a boss, like she's a Creole bantan. And yoka pale, and she's singing with her accent in place. I want to know if she knows what it means. Okay, let's go.
It can have mean 2 things.
Okay, which two?
Keep on talking about me. Like, y'all keep on talking.
Nope.
Okay. It also means don't talk about me.
Nope.
But there's something with talking.
Yes.
Pale.
Yes, exactly. Because I taught you pale a long time ago. You should have known that better.
I don't know what yoka.
Yo.
I.
No. Okay. You give up?
I think it have to do with something. You'll keep on talking.
Well, yeah, that song is about keep on talking. Yes. Okay. So your kapale in St.Lucian, and let me just clarify, we're doing St.Lucian Creole. I know we have Martinican, Guadeloupean, and Well, Dominican Creole is quite similar to St.Lucian one, but Dominican and Haitian Creole, and they are all quite similar in terms of the basis, but we have some variations, some slight variations, so our sentence structures can be different sometimes. So, yeah. So, yo ka pale in St.Lucian Creole means they are talking.
Oh.
So, like, they're talking. Yo ka pale. So, they're talking about me when they're talking. Oh. Yo is they.
Oh.
Ka is to be.
Okay.
Ka. Yeah.
You know why I said
pale.
I for you?
Yeah, because you're in Spanish, yes. Okay, next one.
Woo! Ooh, you know that's my phrase.
Exactly, should I know that? You know that.
Upaka hot.
Yeah, you said like a real French, just upaka hot.
Upaka. Never phrase. And I never used to know what it meant. Kendra told me this, eh?
And I told you 1,000 times.
I know. Okay, wait. Oh gosh, I forget it. I thought it was a rude phrase at first. Okay.
It is.
Oh, it is. And it doesn't mean she feels she hot.
No.
I thought it is to be that. Okay. Oh gosh, something would consider. No. Oh gosh, Kendra literally
Shame
told me
on
this.
you. And she told you just the other day then.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, you give up.
I wanted to try.
Try more.
Okay. Oh gosh, I don't know. Upaka. Means we? Oh, Lord.
Who means you?
You, right. I meant that.
Okay, so upaka hot. Upaka hot can be asked as a question, but it's mainly asked as a question. You can say it as a phrase as well. So upaka hot. You say that with attitude. Upaka hot.
Yes.
Upaka hot means you're not ashamed.
Right? That was it.
Like, you're not ashamed.
Kendra told me this.
Or you can tell somebody you have no shame, which is upaka hot.
Right.
Right? You should have known that.
I'm
Shame
sorry,
on you.
cousin.
Let's say this.
Okay. Manger. No?
Watch again.
Oh, wanger. Wanger. Oh, gosh. Wanger fige. Ooh. Wanger fige. Ooh.
Wanger fijayo.
Fijai.
Wanger fijayo. Wanger fijayo.
Is it a question?
It's a statement.
A statement. Look at you.
Brianna, what did you learn all the years I was
I've never heard you say this. I've never heard you say that.
Yes.
I've never heard you say that.
Wanger fijayo.
Okay.
Wanger is fix.
Fix.
Fijai is face. Fix face your.
Got you.
Fix your face. Okay, I'm giving you something simple.
Oh gosh. So you see. Belly fan. Belly. Bell. Bell fan.
Belle femme. Belle
Belle
femme.
femme.
What does that mean?
You look beautiful. Or something with beautiful. Does it mean something with pretty? Or beautiful?
Beautiful, yes. Belle femme.
Beautiful girl.
Woman.
I'm a femme.
Femme. Yes. Yeah, femme.
Okay, femme. So when I say okay, femme.
So how would you say I am a beautiful woman?
Oh gosh. Okay. I don't know what's the one for I. Me.
Moi.
Belle. Femme.
Hi, beautiful woman. Okay, yes. Where is the verb?
Oh, for real.
Where is the verb?
Moi.
Teacher.
Moi. Does the verb go before? Belle. Moi. Soy.
Moi c'est.
Moi c'est. I was close enough. Moi c'est belle femme.
Moi c'est un belle femme. Moi c'est
Oh, I was supposed to do this, shout out.
the article.
Hey, that's my word.
You see you?
No, I don't think I'll pronounce it properly. Manger.
So why you have to do all that extra? Let's hear it again.
Manger.
Manger. What is that?
Talking a pack of rubbish. No, that's rubbish.
Lord have mercy.
I know how to use it in this situation.
No, you don't. You obviously don't have to use it because the kinds of things you say in there that is very far from mushy.
Yes. Oh yes. Oh no.
You guys, I am done. Okay.
Oh gosh, I know it.
Manger is food.
Exactly.
It means food.
Exactly.
It means food, but it is also the verb to eat.
Okay.
So how would you say I am?
Moi.
I am eating.
Moi. What's the again?
I give you 2 arms already. 2 different arms.
Moi. I forgot.
I am happy you're asking this on camera for her to say I never taught it to her. I told her 2 arms already. The first sentence I gave her, I told her that word means to be. And the first sentence was
exactly. What is it? I am eating food.
I am eating. I am eating.
What is eating?
You see, I just taught her. You see, people. You see, she doesn't listen. She doesn't listen. Manger.
But that's food.
I just told you. I am happy that I have the video evidence to prove it. I just told her. What did I just tell her? I told her manger means food, but it also means eating. It is also the verb for eating.
Couillon.
You pronounce it well. Yay! Your pronunciations are great. Okay, awesome. So yes, couillon. What does couillon mean? Couillon is an adjective.
I think it means
It's also an insult.
Oh, stupid. This was the best one!
Thing she got right. Oh my god. Please like the video. Share with a friend, especially somebody who probably speaks French Creole or wants to learn, so they can learn some basic phrases. She wanted to know if you guys speak Portuguese because she speaks a little Portuguese, right? A little.
Bom dia. Meu nome é Brianna.
You see, and that's quite close to French and French Creole. So how do you say good morning in French Creole?
Bon dia.
Bon dia is God. Bonjour.
Oh, good. Oh, I think that real slipped my mind. I'm sorry.
Bonjour. And we spoke about that, eh? Bonjour.
No, but I know that for yours.
Exactly.
For yours.
For yours. So bonjour. How would you say my name is? My name is in French Creole.
Oh gosh. No, it's not that. Because I know je m'appelle.
No, that's French. That's pure French.
I know that's pure French.
Bonjour. Non, moi c'est.
Woo! I like it. Okay, say.
Non.
Non.
Moi.
C'est.
Si.
Non, moi c'est. Brianna.
Si. Well, that's Spanish, but yes. When you are confused, you guys, I am so confused these days because, sis is trying to be a polyglot and everything. Yeah. So I speak fluent, well, near fluent. Let me not say fluent because some words in French Creole I don't know because they've died with the older generations. Right. And so we intermingle and interweave a lot of English. So I'm not fluent in French Creole, but I am close to fluent, as close to fluent as the younger generation is. and I speak English fluently, I believe. And I dabble in a little Spanish and a little French, you know? So, and sis is trying to get on her beast mode with these two languages, these two Romance languages, so, you know?
I really want to be fluent in Portuguese, get back my fluency in Spanish, and also I would love to learn Italian.
Right.
And probably, I know a little Dutch because of being in Suriname. And, yeah.
Right. So, do you speak any languages apart from English or whatever your main language is? Let us know which languages you speak in the description box. We can chat, and you can also tell us if you've ever encountered someone who speaks French Creole and whether it's a language you've ever been interested in. So, thanks for watching.
Yes.
Thanks for stopping by. Share with a friend.
I hope you enjoyed.
And yeah, and answer us in the description.